Hello, I'm Dr. Jesse Gill here to invite you to the Culture Life Wesleyan Church Marriage Intimacy Workshop in Blackwood, New Jersey on Saturday, April the 5th from 8:30 a.m. until 3 p.m. Lunch is included. I'm going to be kicking off the morning with you guys, talking to you about God's attachment design for physical and emotional intimacy in your marriage. And all of this rests on these two pillars, and I call them shelter and delight. And what that means is with shelter, that I can turn to my spouse with all of my emotional needs and with all of my physical needs. And I know that they're going to be there for me, and I receive comfort and strength from being able to share with them and having them be my go-to person. And the delight means I know that because they've got my back, they're always there for me, that I can branch out and I can explore, and we can explore our emotions, our bodies, and all of the things that God has for us in our intimacy. And when these two come together, they create secure attachment, which is the best type of bond for a couple, both in the living room and also in the bedroom. There are many couples who don't have secure attachment. There are many couples who have negative cycles of conflict that keep them chronically anxious and unable to be relaxed and safe and feeling playful and secure in the bedroom. We're going to be looking at how to dismantle these negative cycles. We're going to be looking at some exercises and sharing some ideas together for how couples can get unstuck and grow together. So no matter whether you are stuck or whether you're looking to just grow and enrich your intimacy together, this workshop is for you. In my marriage book, Face to Face, 7 Keys to a Secure Marriage, I speak heavily about the emotional cycle. This one's going to be about the physical cycle, the negative cycle in physical intimacy. So the website for the church is culturechurch.org. You can go to the giving tab there and register at the marriage ministry tab there. You can also email the church at I think it's info@culturechurch.org. Check it out on the website. Looking forward to being with you guys on Saturday, April the 5th. God bless.